Hello YouTube, Dr. Solar here. So we've put back together our Deye inverter and it does not work. Well, one thing, the inverter does not recognize the serial number, so it's showing us communication error. We're using this LiFePO4 battery to power our Deye inverter. So right now we cannot tell what the serial number is. But if you look on the screen, what does it say? It says SunSync. See that? And it has a SunSync menu. So I'm realizing differences between Deye and SunSync is the menu, is the firmware. So Deye is going to push through firmware that's going to help us, that's going to change one, the display to look like what the Deye display looks like, and then two, they're going to link the inverter serial number to this device, because we have a new board, we have new everything, so they have to flash the serial number to this inverter. And once they do, I think the inverter will wake up. As you could see, if you look on the right corner there, the left corner there, it goes off and then come, off and come. Now there were some concerns some of you expressed when I posted my last video, and it was the fact that there are differences in the board. The major one that I saw is here. Actually, there's another one too, but is here on this board that has the communication things on it, and then it has our power, our gen, load, and grade input and output. There is a dip switch. We didn't have that before. Now we have a dip switch, and then there's some minor differences on the board. So what I've noticed, and I saw this with Victron as well, is that over time the manufacturer will make some changes to the componentry. They either give you something a little more substantial, or they will change the manufacturer they're using, and I think that's what's happening here with the year. If you look here, the date on here is 2020. The date on the one we had was 2019. So I'm sure they keep making running updates based on experiences that the manufacturers have, or sorry, based on experiences that the users have, or based on experiences that people like me have. So once this is up and running properly, I'll post another update to show you it in action. But I like the screen. I like the way the SunSync screen looks. Sadly, we're not going to get it. We'll just get the Deye screen. So just let you know, everything that this does, the SunSync does, and to a degree. The other guy, the guy in the US, I think they do the same, but firmware basically drives most of what happens here. So if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. If you're yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button and share with your friends. I thank you all very much for getting me to over 2,000 subscribers. Oh, one last thing. Let me see if you could see in there. Deep in here, there is a mega switch, and that's on the positive terminal. A mega fuse, sorry. It's rare you see that on high frequency inverters. I've seen them more on low frequency inverters. Victron is notorious for using them. So when you see a Deye using it, it tells you that these guys are really serious about what they build. So once again, thank you for watching. Dr. Solar signing up from Lagos, Nigeria.